Welcome to the Bloom Schools. I am sorry, I don't understand. Could you please repeat that? Yes, don't worry, I will repeat it. Is it same or different? It's almost the same. Can I pay by check or credit card? You have to pay by credit card. How much does this cost? It's 20 pounds. Can I see her before Tuesday? Yes, she is free on Monday. At what time is your flight? My flight is at 7:30 p.m. Where are you going? I am going to Canada. Are you going with your family? No, it's an official trip. I am going alone. For how many days? I will be there for 1 week. When can you come? I can come at any time except Sunday. When should I call you? You can call me before you leave. What are you doing this afternoon? I have an interview this afternoon. Why did he call you? He called to cancel the meeting. With whom should I make an appointment? You can make an appointment with my secretary. When is your appointment? My appointment was on Tuesday, but I have to change it to Wednesday. Are you comfortable in this house? Yes, everything is very good. What are your hobbies? I read books or I go for swimming. How is the climate today? It's very hot today, but tomorrow I think it will rain. Are you happy today? Yes, I'm very happy today. Did you have fun at the party? No, not much. Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car. Where did you go yesterday? Yesterday I went to the hospital. Why did you go to the hospital? I went to hospital just for normal checkup. Thank you for watching.